What if I told you that the difference between being broke and building real wealth comes down to just three numbers: 50, 30, 20? Sounds simple, right? But here's the real question. Why are 78% of people still living paycheck to paycheck? Maybe you think budgeting means giving up Starbucks, canceling Netflix, or never eating out again. But what if I told you that you can still enjoy life, travel the world, and build wealth at the same time? Today, I'm breaking down the legendary 50-30-20 rule, a simple formula that can turn your financial stress into financial freedom. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the one deadly mistake that can sabotage your entire budget. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's be real. Most people don't have a budget. They have a hope strategy. They hope they'll have enough money at the end of the month. They hope their paycheck will cover their bills. They hope they'll start saving someday. But hope is not a strategy, and ignoring your finances won't make your money problems disappear. Think about it. If you don't tell your money where to go, someone else will. And that someone is usually your landlord, your credit card company, or that one friend who always wants to split the bill 50-50 when they ordered lobster. The solution? The 50-30-20 rule. Let's break it down step by step. The first 50% of your income goes to needs, the essentials. We're talking about rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, health insurance. Notice what's not on this list. Starbucks, subscriptions, or shopping sprees. Those are wants, not needs. Here's where most people mess up. They confuse wants with needs. You need a roof over your head. You don't need a luxury apartment with skyline views and a rooftop pool, especially if it's eating up 70% of your income. Think of it like this. Would you rather live in a smaller place now and afford your dream house later, or flex for Instagram today and be broke forever? Next, let's talk about the fun part, your wants. Here's where people either mess up or master their money. 30% of your income goes to wants, the things that make life enjoyable: eating out, travel, shopping, entertainment. Your gym membership. Yes, even that overpriced one with eucalyptus towels. But here's the trick. You have to control your wants before they control you. Ask yourself, am I spending because I actually want this? Or am I just keeping up with my friends, influencers, or society's expectations? Because here's a hard truth. Rich people stay rich by living below their means. Broke people stay broke by trying to look rich. Now, let's get to the real wealth-building part. This is where financial freedom happens. The last 20% goes toward building your future wealth. Savings, emergency fund, investments, stocks, crypto, real estate, debt repayment, student loans, credit cards. Think of it this way. Every dollar you invest today is working for you, even while you sleep. That's how the wealthy get ahead. They don't just work for money. They make money work for them. If you're not saving at least 20%, here's a wake-up call. One emergency can wipe out your entire financial stability. Speaking of emergencies, let's talk about the number one mistake that ruins budgets. Here's what most people get wrong. They ignore the 20% rule and spend it on wants instead of savings. And then, boom, an emergency hits, a medical bill, a car breakdown, a job loss. And suddenly they're swiping credit cards, drowning in debt, and wondering where it all went wrong. That's why the 20% rule is non-negotiable. It's the difference between financial security and financial disaster. So here's the challenge. Try the 50-30-20 rule for 30 days. Track every rupee you spend, and watch how your entire financial future changes. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by how much you keep and invest. Want more smart money strategies? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because next time I'm revealing the 5 biggest money traps that are keeping you broke.